It's been what, 6 months since we released a video? At least 6 months. I think it was before Christmas, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, September.
So there's a lot going on, which has stopped us from doing anything, which I'm not going to bore you with, but we've decided to come out, start again. And we've headed to Keyhaven.
Hurst Castle.
Hurst Castle. We're walking along the Hurst Spit. It's about a 1 mile walk, I think, from where we parked in Keyhaven Marina. Yeah, we're back on the channel and we'll see if we can do a few videos. We've got some trips coming up. We've got some repairs to do on the camper van first, because the centre control panel is buttons broken, so we've got to get that fixed before we go anywhere, otherwise we may run the risk of getting the roof stuck up and not being able to get it down when we want to check out, which I think would be worse than not being able to raise it when we get there. At least we know we're going to get home.
Yeah.
So we don't want to run that risk, so we'll try and get that fixed. But then we're going to do a little trial run, because we haven't used the camper van for 7 months, or we haven't slept in it for 7 months. And then we've got a couple of trips over the summer, so that's it. Today we are heading to Hurst Castle, which is
windy.
About a mile that way. It is windy, because we're right on the seafront. So hopefully you can hear us over the wind and the crunchy pebbles. We'll probably see you at Hurst Castle in about this long. We're almost there. We've done, it's about a mile, I think.
No, it doesn't seem that long. It's hard to tell.
My watch will tell me. I'll check on my phone. But it was easy enough, wasn't it?
Yeah, sometimes
it was all gravelly. And
sometimes difficult to walk on it.
Yeah, but the harder stuff.
Don't come in like sandals or flip-flops. Better.
It's trainers are good. Yeah. So yeah, easy enough. That sign just telling us that part of the wall has fallen down because of the impact of the sea. So there's lots of barriers up to stop people going near it, and they are asking if you've been important because we will. In the Isle of Wight, just over here. Feels like it is really close, doesn't it? So yeah, we've made it. We'll show you around the castle. We're not sure if we're going to go in. We probably won't. But we'll see. It's only £6 to go in, so we'll see how long we think we have and how long they recommend we have to be here to see it, because we've only got an hour or two. Let's have a look around. see has damaged part of the wall. I'm not sure what part it is. This looks like a modern wall, doesn't it? This does. So we have decided not to go into the castle today. Maybe another day, maybe we'll bring Max back, a bit of education for him, but found out built in 15, or started to be built 1541, Henry VIII, and I'll try and tell you a little bit more as we wander around, but we're now going to look at this lighthouse, which we're not 100% sure. That's lighthouse, one would imagine, but there may be a more elaborate name, we'll find out. Cafe, pretty good. Coffee, pretty good. Cake, pretty good. So there's a little pit stop at the end of the walk if you choose to do the walk along the pier. We'll just have a wander around here now and see what there is to see. So we are heading back across via the ferry. I've just paid for 2 tickets, £5 each one way. If we'd have got the return it would have been £7, but we wanted to take the walk, so £5 good, that's not too bad. Suzanne thinks it's expensive, don't you, honey?
Yes, you get more value for your money there.
We can go from Hythe to Southampton for £8. But yeah, it'll be fun. But we're just waiting for the ferry now. Every 15 minutes it's supposed to come. Any minute now, I'm sure. Though there's not one in sight, but it will be here.
Yeah, don't, yeah, do you think
Back of the
so
van.
there?
Yeah. Oh yeah, still locked.
Okay, I've left the keys.
Yeah, we'll go
back
back
in.
because we lost the keys.
Come on,
No, so what I was
Kev.
saying, that's it. Very short video to finish, to get going again with.
God,
We
you
are
couldn't tell me my hair was that messy.
back at the van now, which is a right old mess, which needs a lot of tidying up, but that's it. First video, more to come. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Take care. Goodbye.